This is your 13 weather forecast with Doug Meyers.
We are in the green car this morning on our People's Insurance Group Road Risk Index. No weather hazards that we have to deal with this morning. Just some mid to high level clouds overhead. And looking down Wanamaker Road, our Capital Federal Sky Cam on Meniger Hill. Looking at quiet conditions early this morning as well. Traffic wise, 68 degrees early this morning in the capital city. Up to 70 in Lawrence, 65 in Melbourne and Emporia, and 61 degrees the cool spot in Marysville early this morning. We're warming up very quickly today. Temperatures around 69 at 8 o'clock, 77 at 11, and then temperatures will be in the 80s for much of the afternoon, right around 84, 85 for afternoon highs, and we're slipping back down into the 60s overnight. May even be a little bit on the cooler side tomorrow morning compared to this morning, as we're going to be monitoring slightly cooler air mass, but doesn't last very long, as we're going to be looking at relatively humid air as we head throughout much of the week. 80s for highs for much of the week, maybe some low 90s towards Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in a few spots, but we will have several storm chances as well. I think our highest chance, at least for the work week, is going to be tomorrow afternoon into at least Wednesday morning, maybe even a Wednesday afternoon. That's going to be our highest chance of severe weather as well as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then as far as country stampede is concerned, obviously that starts on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I think it stays dry for Thursday, and Friday's still a bit uncertain, but right now I still have Friday dry. Saturday, that's going to be our better chance for storms, but with the storms that we're expecting tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to be looking at quite a bit of standing water. So just be mindful of that, depending on how much rain we get. That could invite quite a bit of bugs and mosquitoes in the area. So just wear the bug spray, the sunscreen, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Obviously, a lot of you may be drinking alcohol. That's fine, but make sure you're drinking water just as much as the alcohol is concerned. Hopefully, you have a great time, and we'll hopefully keep most of the country stampede dry. As far as today is concerned, we have storms down to our south and east, storms to our west. So we're kind of sandwiched in between two storm systems with the mid to high level clouds in place. However, we are going to keep an eye on a small chance for storms to develop heading into the afternoon hours. So we're dry this morning, and by this afternoon, and see isolated storms developing. Not going to be everywhere, so most spots will remain dry, which means any outdoor plans you have, you can still keep them, but just be weather aware. Lightning and locally moderate to heavy rainfall is going to be our hazards. No severe weather for today. However, tomorrow and tomorrow evening, that could be a different story with the hail and wind threat at any storms that move into the area by tomorrow. So those storms could develop as early as 10 o'clock in north central Kansas, overspread eastward heading into the afternoon hours, and we're going to be looking at storms likely Tuesday night into at least Wednesday morning, but could even linger into Wednesday afternoon. Again, there's still some uncertainty there. We're completely dry on Thursday, and then even though, again, I have Friday dry, there is a chance you could see some storms late in the day into Friday night, and we'll have on and off storms as we head towards the weekend as well, with highs generally in the 80s, right around 90 for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.